Keep filming your truck for you. Thank you. How you doing?
Go ahead.
I'm gonna turn it on. You can see where it shows. It's going up, it's going up, it's going up. This is a 56-gallon tank. It goes up to 1/8 of a tank, which is quite a bit of fuel. There's only like a gallon. See how it's going down now? Now it's going down to the right gas gauge. And just by showing you that, let's get out of this. See, this stick is how I have to measure the gas. I got stuck for 11 hours on the 40 because I thought I had fuel and I didn't, 3 miles from a gas station in a snowstorm. So let's get out and I'll show you how much fuel is in here. Let's start it real quick with the gas, so you know that it's kind of showing a little bit, now it's fluctuating a little bit. And it actually, if you do this long enough, it'll go up to about a quarter tank and it'll go back down. It's holding, it's still, you know, this tank is big enough to where that gas gauge shouldn't fluctuate at all. You see how it came up and down. Let's get out and look, I'll show you. This is a 56-gallon tank. And when I stick this stick in there, all the way to the bottom, it's showing how it has literally not even 3/4 of an inch of fuel. And you can see how big this gas tank is and the gas gauge on it. There's only about a gallon and a half of fuel in there. An eighth of a tank, an eighth of 56 is what? The math. Yeah, and the needle's back and forth, so, you know, I just wanted to show you that because it cost us a lot of time. So, hey. You can see where there's been water damage for quite a while on all of these. Every one of them almost. And it leaked all over her clothes, suits, $1,000 suits, and stuff like that. And it's even all the way to the back. And there was quite a bit of water in here when I unloaded this truck on both sides, even over here. And this is just showing you where it's been leaking for quite a while out of these rivets and screws and stuff. And there's some probably water damage up top because there was quite a bit of a puddle right here. And this truck was to the you know, we put clothes on top of all these tables and stuff, and they all got wet and ruined. And you know, on the tables there was water damage. We got stuck on the 40 for 2 days. It's just been a menagerie. Right. There was quite a bit of puddle here. I don't know, man. So we ruined a lot of money. Lost a lot of money with this. This is where the water damage was. You can see where there's some, you know, discoloration on the floor. So it, yeah. Right, man. And I'll take it when I go down to the gas gauge. I'll take another video with my phone.
Yeah, definitely.
And I'll show to where it really fluctuates. When you put like $3 or $4 of gas in it, it'll go up to like almost a half a tank.
Yeah, make sure you log all that.
Yeah, because I mean, it didn't do it. They have this documented.
Okay.
Yeah, this was already here. They documented that. I mean,
Come into me. It's running.
They're saying it's dirty.
They're saying this is dirty?
Marianne. Marianne says something.
it's leaking on the other side, but through the stress and stuff, it turned it and got all over her clothes. $1,000 suits and stuff like that. And,
Can you come over here and shoot it from that?
It dripped on this side because of the pitch of the truck, the way it's sitting right now. It'll also pitch on the other side of the truck, depending on how it's sitting. It's leaking again up against the ceiling rail.
Okay. on this one, then I can film it on this one.
Well, we did film it on this, but when I was at the gas station,
Yeah.
I spun him pretty hard, bro.
So water, I guess, huh? Right now it's the right truck. Oh. Yeah, I know. I gotta get that. I get all that water that's coming for. See that whole square? So whatever they drove across in the winter time with all the, because they probably rented it. Too early.
So we can go take off Walmart.
Yeah, I think that we should do instead is.
Of course, Vern does.
All thing.